Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to fix emoji not showing on iPhone keyboard. So look here, this iPhone keyboard showing it to emoji option, but some device has missing this option and provide how can easily get back. So this is my iPhone here. So at first open your settings, scroll down, press on general option, click on to keyboard and go to the first option. So I'm just added emoji. At first I'm remove. Okay, just open this, then showing it to missing emoji option. Press on add new keyboard and look here, showing it to emoji. Make sure to select, go back and scroll down, select emoji sticker. Make sure to turn on. When you turn on this, then you get back your emoji option. So that's it.